Eh, 12 lang tayo.
12 lang. 12 lang tayo. 9 man sila.
Asa galing address ninyo pilahan sa
Lumpang.
Rumpang? Meron nang naunang bus sa inyo?
Meron na.
Bali, nag-chaperon sa kanya si Mrs. Orgelio. Ako dahil si may muntag, no? Si Sagawa do de Mascardo ang committee chair sa committee ng tourism. Sulat mo din. Who is responsible sa kanan ng mga appointments guests na magsaka dito sa boutique. Particular Lahat Cars, Amsterdam Falls, and other related places. Merong historical at cultural value. Now, sa anong subject ba ninyo ito?
Computer po.
Computer design. Your ages ranges from 13, 14. Dapat yung mga ganyan merong ano sa program teacher if that is of course subject related na grade, you have to be guided, you have to be with your advisor kasi subject related man yan, no? Even meron kaming guest ngayon, mga 60 students from the Mindanao Polytechnic, mga college yun. Pero meron pa silang dalawang teacher na kasi hindi sila payagan ng day na mag-akyat without the accompany of their advisor. So ang labas nito ngayon, walang morning ka. Wala nang mag-ano sa inyo kung anong information ang dapat ninyong itanong. Relative to the places wherein you are interested to visit. Tama ba? So, and if ever something will happen to you, take responsibility. Of course, your parents. The school will follow. Huh? Pero hindi na natin ito i-ano dito. Natin lang is baka meron pang kasunod na mga students from Miss Mawin. Yung una, kala ko magpatang. So, yun pala. Meron pang mga kasunod na mga guests na punta.
Dapat i-record mo.
Nag-record siya. Nag-record siya.
So, on behalf sa Barangay Council, I welcome you to Barangay Council. And I will give you brief information kung saan ang Barangay Council. Now, what is Barangay Conel?
Di pa doon. Hindi lang po. I-record na platisi mo sa phone.
Barangay Conel is derived from a native Laan word.
Ipadul per sa speaker.
Native Laan word, clanel. Clanel is a tropical plant, belongs to ginger family, locally known as Kalawag.
Kalawag.
For the Cebuano, it's called Lulaw. So, mauna siya, oh. Mauna.
Kalawag.
Now, commonly used as herbal medicine, food seasoning, and other uses. No? It is even used today as treatment for cancer. Ginagawang powder. Now, paano siya nagiging conel? Now, the first 32 families, no? Pioneering 32 families from the Luzon and the Visayas could not pronounce properly the word Clanel. It was mispronounced as Conel. Now, due to the predominance of the Christians over those Blaans, the native Blaans never resisted on the wrong pronunciation. So, until such the following generations, it was socially accepted by the people of Barangay Conel until it was called Conel. So, yun ang storya. There are also places wherein it was derived from the native Blaan word like Polomolok. It is not Polomolok. Plomorok. Plo. P'-L-O-M-O. Ganon. For Ulimpog, it is not Ulimpog. Instead, it is Plemfu. Ganon yon. So, mabuti yung mga Blaan natin masyadong elastic, understanding. Siguro, I could find that na it is because of yung ang akala nila ang Christians are educated. Kung ano yung pagka-pronounce ng word nila, sunod na lang sila kasi now, ang Conel is a agricultural barangay wherein you can find poultry and piggeries and 2 grazing plants that serves chicken meat, live hogs to Cebu and Manila. And 60% of the total requirement of Philippines are supplied from the 23 major piggeries and poultries in the Barangay Conel. Now, the common dialect used by the people of Barangay Conel is Cebuano. No? Now you are visiting now to Klaha, Kars, Amsicong Falls, and other related places. But mostly our guests are very much we're very much interested in visiting Amsicong Falls.